So this is the MTO210. Let's see what kind of errors we get in MTO210. Let's switch on the kit and let's wait for the self tests to happen. So the light is blinking and the kit is now going to start conducting 3 self tests. This is self test 1. You can see the self test 1 has been passed. So the kit is now conducting self test 2 and its self test 2 has passed. Self test 3 has an error, that is 234. So let's see how to fix the error 234 which has come from self 3 failure. Switch off the kit and open all the screws. So now once all the screws are removed, now you can lift the top board and see all the connections that needs to be removed from the PCB. This is the first connector to be removed. Yeah, then you can see the white connector. Open the locks and then press it. So all the important ones are removed. So here, yeah, so remove the cable, data cable. Yeah, so this PCB can be removed by unscrewing, and this is the PCB which has to be replaced to resolve the error.
This one is the main PCB. This one HVHC PCB. That means high voltage heatsink PCB. Normally we want to replace this PCB for most of the fault. And this one is a Vicor module. And this one is power supply. This one is a Vicor capacitor. And this is display PCB. And this one is a relay PCB.